by thanking Accra House of Votes. You are really a gracious loser, and you have shown the way, the competitive spirit, the love for each other, and that you are expecting that even in our elections, we should all be gracious losers. Congratulations for winning the silver medals. And now, the numbers. We are coming to Asante Kotoko. Fabo, 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 fabulous. I love you so much. Today, once again, you have shown that Oku Apim Beba. Yes, you are the first to win the Democracy Cup. And Parliament has mandated me to assure you that every year we will, together with our partners and stakeholders, organize this event, and it will be rotational. So next year, it will be in another region, not Accra. You are lucky to be the premier to win the cup. And we will ensure that we sponsor you to the United States of America. Please go and shine your shoes. Make sure your training is really well done, because we want to go and win over there in Washington, D.C. Congratulations, congratulations. I can see great potential in our players, and I'm sure with investment, Ghana once again will rise up again.